Hi, everyone. You seriously need to see this best heavy-duty folding. Has been trending everywhere lately for a good reason. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere because the value here is mind-blowing. Regarding the build, it is absolutely impressive. They used high-grade, durable materials built to last. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The actual performance is where it truly shines. It delivers consistent results every single time you use it. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. Stock is moving fast. See the deal in the bio and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.